Hello everyone and welcome back to my watercolor painting channel. Today, I'm excited to share Morning Rituals Beneath the Dome, a painting inspired by the lively atmosphere of a contemporary shopping center, where a cafe sits beside a cinema entrance. The painting captures a simple but beautiful moment of everyday urban life. People gather for their morning coffee, enjoying conversation and quiet moments while others walk past the cafe on their daily journeys. Above them, a striking dome light becomes an architectural focal point, casting strong shadows across the space and creating a dramatic contrast between illumination and darkness. My intention with this painting is to transform an ordinary cafe scene into something atmospheric and expressive. I'm interested in the relationship between architecture, light, shadow, and human movement. The decorative elements and structural forms create depth, while the figures bring scale, rhythm, and a sense of life to the composition. Rather than capturing every detail literally, I want the watercolor to suggest the atmosphere of the place and allow the viewer to experience the scene through light, color, and movement. In this demonstration, I'll show you the painting process from the initial pencil sketch, establishing the perspective and composition through the first transparent washes, development of the architecture, figures and decorative details, and finally the stronger shadows and highlights that bring the painting together. Watercolor is particularly exciting for this subject because its transparency and spontaneity allow light to remain alive throughout the painting. I'll demonstrate how I use controlled washes alongside expressive marks to create depth, atmosphere, and movement. Whether you are a beginner, an experienced watercolor artist, or simply enjoy watching the creative process, I hope this demonstration gives you inspiration and useful ideas for your own work. If you enjoy this painting, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with other art lovers, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and let's begin Morning Rituals Beneath the Dome.